at 4:30 from our 8 News Now investigators, a man who threatened several public officials going to their homes and leaving startling letters and items now faces new charges for threats that hit close to home.
So that man is now accused of soliciting the murder of a judge, several other people, including 8 News Now investigator David Sharns. And David, you were in court as prosecutors say this man wanted several people dead.
Well, yes, and according to this letter, prosecutors say he wrote he wanted several people dead, including me. We previously reported on this man last year, and that appears to have angered him.
Video the 8 News Now investigators obtained shows 21-year-old Charles Dowling outside of this home last year. He sprinkles something, leaving behind this, a mixture of eggs and other food, and a knife. The home belongs to Assembly Speaker Steve Yeager and his wife, District Court Judge Beta Yeager. Prosecutors say Dowling also targeted the home of former Metro Assistant Sheriff Tom Roberts, who Dowling appears to have believed was sheriff, and another judge, also leaving odd items in letters.
Page 10, Dowling, Charles.
Dowling was in court Wednesday after pleading guilty, but mentally ill to other charges, including stalking and extortion.
It's a litany of threatening statements, including his hit list, where he indicates that he has several individuals on it.
But prosecutors say before Wednesday's hearing, Dowling sent this letter to an ex-partner to, quote, finish the plan, threatening to murder the judge in the case, the prosecutor in the case, Governor Joe Lombardo, and 2 reporters. Dowling continues the letter with talk about fuel and Molotovs for, quote, the biggest revolt the country has seen. Prosecutors are asking the judge to allow for more charges to be filed, including solicitation to commit murder.
Now we'll see what happens here. Dowling was supposed to be sentenced for his actions last year, but that appears to now be falling apart due to the recent actions which you just saw. His attorney is asking the judge for time to respond to these new allegations, and everybody will be back in court in 2 weeks. I'm David Sharns, 8 News Now.
All right, David. Well, state law allows a person to plead guilty but mentally ill, meaning defense lawyers must prove their client is actually mentally ill. Now, the language means a judge could add mental health treatment as part of sentencing, which was in the works before this latest development.